What the hell are you doing? Oh no.
Everyone's been asking over the last while what this machine is running for a can, and someone at one point said beer can, and people laughed, but no, have a look. Have a look for yourself.
What is that?
Beer can.
It's a beer can.
Foster's Premium Australian Lager.
This is quite the exhaust system you got here.
Want to hear it?
Yeah, okay. Let's hear it. Let's let her have it. That is loud.
That's loud.
That's like a straight pipe almost.
Straight pipe. Just kidding. This is just a beer can we had. That was supposed to be good.
We thought we were funny. I don't know. Maybe it wasn't so funny.
This is NPP's 3-inch. NPP, if you don't know what that is, that's Neil's Power Pipes. They're a two-stroke pipe manufacturer. They do cans, pipes, custom work out of Spruce Grove, I believe they're out of. But this is the 3-inch. Sean had it on his Pro, and you think this was loud. It was actually louder on the Pro for some reason.
Yeah, that, if you think, yeah, that's exactly it. That thing was like ear-shattering loud.
Yeah.
It's loud.
And nice. Yeah, it's loud if that's what you're after, loud.
Like, look at, you can stick your, you can like almost get your hand around the whole thing.
It's 3-inch diameter. They do have a few different versions. I've never really looked into the other ones because I had a Jaws can on here, and this is substantially louder, so we got the louder one. But yeah, fit and finish, it's nothing wrong with it.
And even the Jaws is fairly aggressive.
Fairly aggressive. Yeah. Super light.
Yeah, that doesn't
killed a pile of weight. I'd say it probably weighs 2.5, 3 pounds. It weighs nothing.
Yeah.
So that's the mystery.
That's the mystery solved. What are we running for a can on this one? The loudest thing. Foster's.
Brought to you by Foster's. If you haven't tried it, try her out. It's good.
The loudest thing that we could possibly find. Nice. Where's my boy? Where's my boy? That guy said Zoolander what? Can only go left?
Only go left.
Okay, well Zoolander, he can't turn left.
He can't turn left. He's got to turn right.
He's got to turn right.
So turn right this time.
So what are you going to do? You got to go right too.
Yeah.
Okay, Zoolander. Get out there, Derek.